mi gente? Louis the Boiler Man here. Guys, we're in Brentwood, New York. I got the call tell me, Louis, you got no cooling. So I came here to help a friend out. I was in the hospital. I told him as soon as I got out the hospital, I'll help him out. So check this out, man, because I couldn't make this shit up. So the first thing I checked is also the return grill, right? Because you always make sure that the filter is not plugged up. And guess what I found? I opened up the return grill, and mind you, is the pressure outside with R410A system, that's what it is outside, is about 40°. So we're about 120, 125 PSI. So check this out. Check out this return, guys. I tell you guys, nothing doesn't baffle me anymore, because the shit that I see out there in the field, and the guys who does this, you know who you are. You guys shouldn't be working or be in this industry, period. But the point is, this is the reason why they have no cooling on the first floor. Because as you guys know, you guys are recycling the air. How can you extract the hot air when it's blocked? So what I think what they did is, which makes sense, is they sold the house to the customer, but they want to show them a beautiful closet, and not knowing that they're cutting the airflow into the HVAC system. So the call is, Louis, we have a fairly new system, but it's not cooling down the space. Well, of course, if you have no return and there's no hot air going through the coil, how the hell are you going to get cool air? So guys, I always look at everything as a whole. I just don't look at one part of the system. What I'm trying to tell you guys is, you always look at the system as one big system, one whole system. And obviously, I don't even tell you the words I really want to say, but the point is, this is the problem. Now we have to figure out how to fix it, because now we have to build a new trunk space from here all the way to the attic. This figures about maybe like 8-10 feet. I mean, it could be done, but I know I see the reason why they did what they did. So guys, stay tuned. It's just another day with Louis the Boiler Man here at New York Boiler and AC Repair. Wepa!